The Indian Defence Ministry is tightening the monitoring of military equipment manufactured in India, as per reports. The ministry has sounded the alarm, instructing private firms to rigorously adhere to end-user certification (EUC) rules for exports. The move comes after reports surfaced that Indian-made munitions have ended up in the wrong hands. Weapons manufacturing is on the rise throughout the world, given the Ukraine-Russia crisis. Multiple reports have emerged of weapons landing up on either side of the conflict without proper authorization by the country of origin. The Indian defense sector has seen a sharp increase in production of arms and weapons for both internal use and export orders in the past few years. By wrong hands, New Delhi means that the equipment has reached unintended or unauthorized countries or organizations. One tool that the Indian government is stressing on to tighten the control on arms export is the end-user certificate. Earlier this year, several reports emerged claiming that Indian-made 155mm artillery shells were being used by Ukraine. India refuted these claims, with Foreign Ministry spokesperson clearing that New Delhi has neither sent nor exported any artillery ammunition to Ukraine. In May, a similar incident occurred when a social media account Ukraine Front posted photos of alleged Indian-made 125mm shells. This raised questions about how Indian ammunition is being found in Ukraine despite not being exported by India. Presently, Indian companies are barred from exporting weapons to Ukraine, Turkey, China, and Pakistan. To maintain a watchful eye, the ministry is planning an internal portal to monitor the import and consumption patterns of critical materials like explosives and primers. This system will enable the government to track the quantity in imports, their utilization, and production output and ensure accountability. As India asserts its strength in the military industrial arena worldwide, it faces the intricate task of balancing legitimate exports and domestic production. New Delhi also needs to safeguard itself against the risk of its products reaching terrorists, rogue states, or any entity that may destabilize the region. India has launched the Saksham Bharat initiative, aimed at ensuring that parts or weapons that were previously imported are now manufactured domestically. The Indian government has granted permission to private players and startups to import machinery and raw materials necessary for producing these arms.